Good morning, students. Today we are discussing about a new topic, that is a decomposition reaction. We know that many of the reaction occurs in around us, respiration reaction and also decay of leaves. Some reactions are there. Today we will discussing about decomposition reaction. We already know that a decomposition reaction is a definition, a reaction in which a single reactant is break down to give a simpler product. That is, in a reaction, a compound AB undergo decomposition, give a simple compound A and B. That is, a complex molecule undergo decomposition, we get a simple molecule. That is, definition is a reaction in which a single reactant is break down to give a simpler product is called a decomposition reaction. Next, we move to an example. For example, we have a ferrous sulfate crystal. When it's undergo heating, it gives a ferric oxide and sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. That is a complex molecule, that is a ferrous sulfate. It undergo decomposition to give a simpler molecule ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. This is an example of decomposition reaction. So decomposition reaction, it is a reaction in which a complex molecule which undergo decomposition, it's undergo breakdown to give a simpler molecule. That is called a decomposition reaction. Let's we check some more example for this decomposition reaction. First one, decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. This hydrogen peroxide undergo decomposition to give water molecule and oxygen. That is, a hydrogen peroxide undergo decomposition, we get a water molecule and an oxygen gas. This is a type of a decomposition reaction. Second type of electrolysis of water. This new term is electrolysis. That is, a decomposition occurs with the help of electricity is called electrolysis. A decomposition carried out with the help of electricity is called electrolysis. For the electrolysis of water, water undergo decomposition, we get hydrogen and oxygen. Here, it's carried out with the help of electricity, and there are two parts are the first part is called a positive electrode is called a cathode and the negative electrode is called a anode. The hydrogen gas will be liberated at the cathode and the oxygen molecule will be liberated from the anode. That is called electrolysis of water. While we undergo electrolysis of water, the water molecule undergo decomposition to generate hydrogen as well as oxygen. Third one is nitrogen triiodide, NiO3. This nitrogen triiodide also undergo decomposition to generate nitrogen and iodine. We will also discuss this general formula of this decomposition reaction. That is, a compound AB undergo decomposition, we get corresponding a component A and B. Similarly, here the water molecule undergo electrolysis, we get corresponding hydrogen and oxygen. Similarly, a nitrogen triiodide undergo decomposition, we generate nitrogen gas and iodine. This is called a decomposition reaction. Now we will discuss about decomposition of calcium carbonate. This calcium carbonate undergo heating. It decomposes to give calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Calcium carbonate undergo decomposition. It will decompose to give calcium oxide and carbon dioxide with the help of heat. This type of decomposition is called thermal decomposition. So, the decomposition which carried out with the help of heat energy is called a thermal decomposition reaction. For example, calcium carbonate undergo heating, we get a calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. This is an example for thermal decomposition reaction. Let's move to another example. Let's watch this diagram. That is, we take lead nitrate in a test tube and undergo heating. And this lead nitrate undergo decomposition to get corresponding lead oxide and nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. This nitrogen dioxide, this nitrogen dioxide is coming out as brown fumes. In this figure, this brown fumes is nitrogen dioxide. As we take lead nitrate and undergo heating, it undergo decomposition to generate lead oxide and nitrogen dioxide. Nitrogen dioxide is a gas. It's coming out as brown fumes. So the equation must be like this. Lead nitrate undergo heating, we get corresponding lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. This is a balanced equation for decomposition reaction. Let us, we can check the decomposition reaction and how will we get this decomposition reaction, how we can carry out this decomposition reaction. With the help of sunlight, here we can see that with the help of sunlight, a decomposition reaction take places, that's absorb heat energy, undergo decomposition. Same we already discussed as electrolysis. Electrolysis we need, that is energy from electricity. For example, silver chloride undergo decomposition with the help of sunlight. It will decompose to give silver and chlorine gas. So the decomposition which carried out with the sunlight is an example of decomposition of silver chloride. The decomposition of silver chloride to give silver and chlorine. This is about decomposition reaction. Thank you.